It's your girl Liana, and I'm back once again with a video. Before I get video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And today, I'm gonna be making some clear slime. Y'all never saw me make clear slime, I don't think. Well, probably have, but I don't make clear slime on this. So, what you'll be needing is, of course, clear glue. Of course, clear glue. Like, how you gonna make clear slime without clear glue? Doesn't make sense, or does it? My clear glue is right there. Right there. That little pinch right there. It stops right there. Okay, well that's kind of a lot. But, okay. So what you'll need is your clear glue, a bowl, and something to mix with. And you can pick a color. I'm about to try to get a rest out of this. This is pretty color. Yeah, I'm about to scoop this top out. Okay, first you need to add your glue, how much glue you want. There's flow over here. Okay, that's how much glue I want. Now I'm going to add the coloring. I picked this color. It's not orange. It's like an orangey whatever. Neon. Orange neon. That's what it is. Orangey neon, whatever you want to call it. Ew, this made an ugly color. What is that? That is not even a color. Okay, I'm making a color though. Try to make it a color. And if I can't make this a color, I'm gonna be mad. But I want to put another color in, I think. Yep. Let's go for like a purple. Ew, I got a lot of purple in there. But yeah, let's go for a purple. Only when I'm making clear slime, I only like a little bit of food coloring in it, like so you can actually see. Ooh, purple and that color kind of does look cute together. But yeah, when I do clear slime, I only like to do a little bit so you can know it's clear slime. Because sometimes when people making clear slime, you can't even tell the difference. But my slime, you can. Now you can actually tell the difference. This color is pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna add my activator. Hold on, I don't even know where my activator at. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add my slime activator in. Now I know to add a drop at a time. I did 4 drops, 4 little drops. Now this might turn into slime. And I have to make 2 of my slimes for my friend because they want me to. But they're gonna pay me back with some more slime. So ew, this part's so weird. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Like, kind of pretty, you know. I like the color, but just gooey. I hate when my slime go like that, but I still got still got a lot more in the container. I don't know if you call that a lot, but I do. Okay, I'm gonna put Y'all know that clear slime that I had? I mixed those two up. Let's see what color it makes. I don't forgot what color that is though. But I'm about to go get it from my living room. So this is how it looks. Okay, hold on. Let me go get my clear slime. That is not how you do it. Okay, well, anyway. Now I know the color. This color's pretty though. But not after long. Ew. But this color is ugly though. So which one do y'all like better? Big one. This one, right? Okay. Well, I like that one. I hope it turned out that color though. Please, 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 Lord. It probably won't. Probably turn out like an ugly color. Made it stiff. But I'm about to go put some hot water on it so it doesn't be stiff. See, so stiff. I'm telling y'all, hot water, for me, hot water makes my slime. My putty, A1. So, this is my own recipe, how to make your slime come from putty. Come from putty to slime. And if you don't get it, putty slime, putty into slime. If you didn't get it. But yeah. I think we have PE tomorrow. PE be doing the most though. But this is my slime and I need to go put some hot water over it. So yeah. And it's gonna go in this container. Sometimes I don't show my friends my slimes because if it's a good slime, they're gonna want it. And they're not gonna get it because it's my good slime. Like, you have money, your mom have money, whatever. If she does, you can go buy yourself some slime stuff. Or buy yourself some slime. They already have it made it for you. You can get a big one for $10 at Walmart. It's a big one, 3 pounds. It's in the art section. It's a big container. Big slime. Jiggly slime. 3 pounds for $10. I was ready to get it, but I didn't want to waste $10 on slime that has slime at home. It's like, let me stop. It is dark outside. Spooky. It's like, tell me why this slime would act up. I hate when people say that. Tell me why this slime will stack up. Tell me why. Why? Ooh, this slime is hot. So it's ugly. Why does it look dark on camera? Hate that. Ew, it's kind of feeling moist, my dear. It is glossy and sticky and nasty. It's like, oh shoot. Okay, I poured a lot of this activator on. Sometimes when you put a lot of activator, sometimes it'll make it putty. And I'm about to pour this whole bottle in. Or sometimes it will make it stickier. But I just poured it a whole almost bottle in. See the extraness? I'm about to stir that up because this slime needs to stop being sticky. Today was hot out today. Let me put this top on so. Okay. And I'm supposed to be showing y'all that slime, not this slime. But I kind of do like this slime though. This slime's kind of hot though. pour this extraness in. Okay. Okay. So, I love that the foam is up top. Look at this foam up top. Look at that foam slime. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna go over 30 minutes. Listen. Okay, so I was just joking with y'all, cause your girls was not about to make that happen. Okay, so I have a little bit of white glue in here, but not a lot. So I'm gonna show you the slime one more time, and I'll see you tomorrow or the day after that. But here's the slime. I'm gonna put some hot water on it. Probably tomorrow I'll probably do a video of me, whatever. But see if that comes tomorrow. See if that happens tomorrow. But I will see you when I find this top. Psych. But where's my top? I'm just gonna use this. Don't mind up there. I need to clean it, but I hate cleaning this up. Police. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn that post notification bell so you miss any videos that I do. And I will see you tomorrow or the day after that. Peace out and love you guys.